India is a divine land believed to be existing on Mother Earth for years. It is endowed with special spiritual powers, yet the people born on this land have experienced extremes of emotional and physical upheavals. The recent political history of India can be divided into three different eras, running by Mughal era lasting for about 800 years, followed by indulgence by Portuguese for few years, and then followed by British era for about 400 years. The present story belongs to the man belonging to recently resurrected India post-independence from British rule. It will not be an exaggeration if we state here that in context to this man, the medical history of this land of India, especially in reference to the recently developed branch of nephrology and transplantation biology research, can be divided as pre-Trivedi era and post-Trivedi era. Dr. Hargovind Lakshmi Shankar Trivedi hails from middle-class Brahmin family of a small village of Gujarat who gave the gift of nephrology, kidney transplantation and stem cell technology to his land. He was born on 31st August 1932 at the age of 84 years. When this story is presented today in 2016, he is still active in research, education and service, in addition to being the first Pro-Chancellor of the Gujarat University of Transplantation Science with the Institute of Kidney Disease and Research Center and the Institute of Transplantation Science named after him. All three institutes being the unique and first of their kind in the world. They treat more than 150,000 patients suffering from urogenital disease and perform about 350 to 400 kidney transplantations and about 40 liver transplantations every year. They also treat patients for different autoimmune disorders, diabetes, neuronal disease with different kinds of stem cells, perhaps the only institute offering such services in the world.
हवा में ज़ूरती एक दर्दमयी आरज़ू, ये आहट नहीं तो और क्या है, और क्या है, और क्या है। जब सावन बरसे, रूखे सूखे सपनों की सेज सजाकर दिल के अरमानों की बारात को अपने पालों में संभाले, मैं धरती पर चलने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ। पाँव तो चलते रहते हैं इस धरती पर, जली जलाई इस धरती पर, दुख भरे धूप की चांदनी है हर जगह। मैं जली जली चलूं अब दबे पाँव, तो कभी कभी आसमान में उत्तर की ओर काले बादल भी छा जाते हैं। ये तो भीगे भीगे सोए हुए सपनों की बारात है, गरजते हुए काले काले बादल अब तो सोए हुए सपने भी जग जाते हैं। फिर मन की बारिश शुरू हो जाती है, जाने न जाने मगर किसी की याद ये गरजते बादल पर सवार होकर दिल पर छा जाती है। मन मंदिर में दिया जलाए बैठी हूँ उनकी याद लेकर, न जाने कितने सावन बीत गए। देखो तो सही, गिर गिर आई ये कारी बदरिया, गिर गिर आई ये कारी बदरिया, बुंदनिया बरसन लागी रे, किसी की याद की ये बरसती बूंदनिया, बरसता हुआ ये सावन, मन भावन तो है ही। अब तो ये फूलों की फुलवारी खिल उठेगी, महक उठी रे मेरे मन की फुलवारी।
यह भगवान श्री कृष्ण की धरती, यह अहमदाबाद शहर, कनाडा से आने वाले डॉक्टर हरगोविंद त्रिवेदी की कर्मभूमि बन के रहेगी। एक सुल्तान ने अपने सपनों की सवारी लेकर गुर्जर देश की धरती पर अपना पांव रखा था। इतिहास की तवारीख में एक सोए हुए सपने की यह कहानी है।
When Qutbuddin Aibak was the Sultan in New Delhi, then the Sultan Ahmad Shah, after consulting Prophet Al-Khizar on 26 February 1411 AD, had laid the foundation of his royal palace. The literary meaning of Ahmedabad means, "May Sultan Ahmad Shah be safe and happy." City grew day and night. The belief and practice of Islamic culture was in the center.
एक रंग भर रंग सभर दिल के रंगों की कहानी हमारा यह अहमदाबाद शहर है। यह शहर बड़ा अलबेला, रंग भरे लोगों का मेला।
Surmani Dr. Monika Shah is a renowned classical singer of Kirana Gharana from Gujarat. She obtained her preliminary training from Shri Lalji Bhai Chauhan. Sangeet Shiromani Dr. Monika Shah will now present Evening Raga Purya Dhanashri.
पना घटवा जान न पाऊ मैं, पना घटवा जान न पाऊ मैं, पना घटवा जान न पाऊ मैं, पना घटवा जान न पाऊ मैं। बीच ही नाच नचावत मोहन, बीच ही नाच नचावत मोहन, कैसे जल भर लाऊं मैं, कैसे जल भर लाऊं मैं, तवा जाने न पाऊं मैं। बीच ही नाच नचावत मोहन, बीच ही नाच नचावत मोहन, कैसे जल भर लाऊं मैं, कैसे जल भर लाऊं मैं। पन घटवा जान न पाऊं मैं, पन घटवा जान न पाऊं मैं।
The festival of Muharram remained as the colorful event in the city. According to the Islamic calendar, the first day of Islamic year had been celebrated as the martyrdom of Hazrat Imam Hussain, the grandson of the Prophet Muhammad Sahib. The procession of Tajia had attracted hundreds and thousands around the city.
Kathak dance is centered around to tell this story, a story known as Katha. The Mughal Emperor Jalaluddin Muhammad Akbar enjoyed this dance in his royal court.
Tipali ta hey 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 tat a hey 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 tat ta dha ge ten ren ten ta 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 hey dha dhan dha kete ta kete dat digin na gana na na dha dha kete ta kete ta kete ta kete ta kete ta kete dha dha kete digin na gat ta ka ta na na dha din da ga digana dha dhan da ga digana ren da.
This country is known as Hindustan, the country of Hindu people. There are gods and goddesses. The Hindu Trinity is made of Lord Brahma, the creator of the universe, Lord Vishnu, the preserver of the universe, Lord Shiva, the destroyer of the universe.
Rath Yatra. The Rath Yatra has been organized by the Jagannath Temple of Ahmedabad. Mahant Shri Narsi Das Ji Maharaj started this Rath Yatra tradition in 1878. It takes place on the second day of the month of Ashad. There are 3 chariots: Lord Jagdish, Sister Shri Subhadra Ji. The third is of the elder brother Shri Balaram Ji.
Shri Narayan Dev Mandir. The king of Bharatpur, Shri Ranmal Singh Ji, took Diksha from Shri Sahajanand Swami. Now, King Ranmal Singh Ji had new name, Anandanand Swami. Then the temple was constructed. Sahajanand Ji had come from Gadda at the time of opening of this temple. Stone carving of Swami Sahajanand Ji's footprints are here.
Akshar Purushottam Mandir was constructed by Shri Yogi Ji Maharaj of Akshar Purushottam Trust of Bochasan in 1962. Later, his successor Shri Pramukh Swami Ji Maharaj placed the Murti, image of Shri Ghanshyam Maharaj in this temple. In this independence movement, there was Shri Vallabhbhai Patel. People affectionately call him Sardar Patel. Sardar means a leader.
Uttarayan means Uttar Disha, north direction. Usually, it is a windy day. On 14th January every year, entry of the sun in 10th sign of zodiac Capricorn is known as Makar Sankranti. This is a celebration of kite flying. Undiyu and jalebi, a popular food. This Bruhad Ahmedabad looks very colorful at night. Occasionally, people come out to see this Roshni.
Navaratri festival in India has been dedicated to the worship of mother goddesses like Ma Ambaji,
माँ चामुंडा,
Ma Modeshwari,
माँ भुवनेश्वरी,
Ma Khodiyar,
माँ रांदल,
Ma Santoshi Ma,
माँ गायत्री,
Ma Kalaratri,
माँ शैलपुत्री,
Ma Chandraghata,
माँ ब्रह्मचारिणी,
Ma Shri Lakshmi,
माँ सिद्धिदात्री,
Ma Skandamata,
माँ सरस्वती,
Ma Mahagauri,
माँ कात्यायनी,
Ma Shitara Ma,
माँ मेलड़ी माँ,
Ma Chehar Mavdi,
माँ सुंदरी भवानी माँ,
Ma Satchidanandamayi. In the year 1988, on the 9th day of Navratri festival, the foundation stone of the kidney hospital had been laid in the city of Ahmedabad.
Dr. Hargobind Trivedi was well settled in the city Hamilton in Ontario, state of Canada. He worked as assistant professor of medicine at the McMaster University and for St. Joseph Hospital. He had received awards and honors for his work as a doctor. Though he was a very successful doctor and a professor of medicine in Canada, one winter evening he heard the voice of his inner conscience. Dr. Trivedi, hundreds and thousands of kidney patients are calling you back to your motherland, India. Yes, India. And he and his wife, Sunita Trivedi, moved to the city of Ahmedabad. Along with Dr. H.L. Trivedi, the donors, Shri Rasiklal Doshi and Shri Ashwin Mehta also performed the ceremonial puja of foundation of the kidney hospital. Father of Dr. H.L. Trivedi Sahib, Shri Lakshmi Shankar Nanjibai Trivedi and Gujarat State Governor Honorable Shri R.K. Trivedi were also present on this occasion.
It is an embodiment of the dream of a young man who left his small village in Saurashtra, traveled to United States and Canada to practice medicine. After 14 years, he gave it all up to return to his home country in 1977.
I was prepared for a tough fight. I was sure that I was knowing that there is not going to be red carpet and they will tell me that you please come in. Only they will throw the stones at me. And if they throw stones at me, I can build the building out of it.
This transition for Dr. H.L. Trivedi was not easy.
But I love India, and therefore I was ready to go through any amount of hardships which will come. That was the first to develop. The research and education were added up later on because that is the priority, that is the chronology in which we established this. But as it stands now, after years of experience, we have all three components very well developed and supporting each other. Indian systems are accepting a poor man getting a poor care and a rich man getting a rich care. Except that good care has to go to everybody who needs it. So we are not short of poor people. It's a matter of only having enough finances to do that. We know how to do it. We know where to do it. We have a know-how of doing it. We are committed to do it.
Crucial to the success of the institute was a qualified, committed team that also believed in his ideals.
So when we sat down to develop this institute, we have very carefully selected the people who will form a team. It takes the evolution of a doctor's mind to reach to a point where he thinks in terms of solution of a patient's problem, not the patient as a solution for doctor's economic survival. This institute, our education programs are all full-time. They come at 9 o'clock and work up to 9 o'clock in the evening. And they work at nights and they work during the days and they work on holidays, etc. Indicating that that's the commitment. In fact, my secretary was a high court lawyer. And so she said that she wants to be a part of the whole thing. I said, come on, you come in. Because we need people who are committed.
शतदल शतदल पदरव पदरव तव पदरव गूंजन गाजे शतदल शतदल करुणा चालती आवे शतदल पदरव कृपा प्रभु तारी दुख दर्द दूर ले जावे जो जन दूर थी मनवा देखो मानव कुड़ आ गाथा बरस बरस प्रभु घनश्याम मोरे गूंजती तव यश गाथा ओरे कहना मुहे अंग लगा दे लगी अगन को तू ही बुझा दे.
Usually, Dr. H.L. Trivedi Sahib and his doctors would take round to know the medical condition of patients. Experience has taught them that this helps them medically and mentally.
ओरे ओरे कान्हा मोहे अंगन गा दे ओरे ओरे कान्हा मोहे गा दे ओरे ओरे कान्हा दुख दर्द मेरो सब ही मिटा दे ओरे ओरे काना मोहे अंगल गा दे ओरे ओरे कान्हा ओरे ओरे काना मोहे अंगल लगा la कान्हा मोहे अंग लगा दे, अंग लगा दे, बरखा बना के बरसों।
One winter afternoon, city's known photojournalist Shri Zawahirilal Mehta came to say hello to Dr. Trivedi Sahib. Long-time friends met in a joyous atmosphere.
કેમ છો સુરેશભાઈ? સુરેશભાઈનું ટ્રાન્સપ્લાન્ટ કિડની એમની મધરે આપી હતી, એટલે લગભગ 5 વર્ષ થયા. ને અત્યારે ડ્રગ્સમાં 0 ડ્રગ ઉપર છે. હી ઇઝ ઓન એ 0 ડ્રગ ટ્રાન્સપ્લાન્ટ. દુનિયામાં કોઈની પાસે 0 ડ્રગ ટ્રાન્સપ્લાન્ટ કરેલા નથી. He has gone 4 years now, almost very close to 5 years. And they are a very unique group of patients who have been treated with the regulatory T cells from the donor, mesenchymal stem cell, and regulatory T cell ની જે વાત થાય છે અત્યારે, એને બેનિફિટ હોય તો ક્યાં ને કેવી રીતે હોય છે, એ આ બધા પેશન્ટો છે જેને હું પર્સનલી ફોલોઅપમાં જોઉં છું. અને 4-5 વર્ષ સુધી 0 ડ્રગ, નો ડ્રગ એટ ઓલ. તો ધીસ પેશન્ટ્સ આર યુનિક પેશન્ટ ઇન આખી દુનિયામાં. આવા પેશન્ટ કોઈની પાસે ક્યાંય ક્યારેય હતા નહીં અને છે પણ. બોલો સુરેશભાઈ, તમારે શું કહેવું છે?
બહુ સરસ સાહેબ, ખરેખર ટ્રાન્સપ્લાન્ટ પછી લાઈફ એકદમ ઓકે થઈ ગઈ. જેવું પહેલાં જીવતો હતો એવું જ જીવું છું. અત્યારની લાઈફમાં સાહેબ ક્યારેય પણ કોઈ ક્રિયા રાખતો નથી. જમવાનું બહાર જઈએ, લગ્નમાં બી જમી લઉં છું, હોટલમાં બી જમી લઉં છું. જેવું અનુકૂળતા હોય કે એવું રાખ્યું નથી. નદીનું પાણી બી મૂક્યું છે સાહેબ. ગંગા નદીએ ગયા હતા ને તો ગંગાનું ડાયરેક્ટ પાણી પીધેલું છે. ગમે ત્યાં બી જંગલોમાં કે ઝરણા
સલાહ નથી આપતા કે તમે ડાયરેક્ટ પીવો,
પણ નહીં પીધેલું છે સાહેબ. એમ કોઈ
સુરેશભાઈ આવું બધા એડવેન્ચર કરી આવે છે અવારનવાર, અને આવીને બધા દર્દીઓની સાથે મીટિંગ કરે છે. અને અમારા ઇઝ કાઇન્ડ ઓફ સ્પોક પર્સન ફોર અવર ગ્રુપ. બધા દર્દીઓને ભેગા કરે, એની સાથે વાતો કરે, કામ કર્યું, તેમ કર્યું ને પેલું કર્યું.
એટલે જિંદગી જેવું જીવું છું એવું જીવું. એમાં અમુક સારી એમ એક સ્ટેપ વધારે હવે નિર્ભીક થઈ ગયા આપણે. એમ થોડીક બીક લાગતી હતી જ્યારે પહેલાં હતું તકલીફ, પહેલું શું થતું, હવે કઈ.
સો ધીસ ઇઝ અવર ફાઇનલ ઓફ ફાઇનલ, કે તમે ટ્રાન્સપ્લાન્ટ કરો અને પછી કોઈ પણ ડ્રગની ન જરૂર પડે, એ અમે એચીવ કરી શકીએ છીએ. ઓકે, થેન્ક યુ.
હેપી ન્યૂ યર સાહેબ.
નવા વર્ષના હેપી ન્યૂ યર. ઓકે. A1 પ્રિન્સને આપણે એના પિતાની કિડની આપેલી છે. એનું ટ્રાન્સપ્લાન્ટ હમણાં જ કર્યું. કઈ તારીખ છે?
17/10/2015.
2015. 17/10/2015. અને અત્યારે 5 મિલીગ્રામ પ્રેડનિસોલોન રહે છે, ડેલ્ટા. બીજો કોઈ ડ્રગ નથી. His creatinine is 1.4, stable. સો ચિલ્ડ્રનમાં એ ખાસ વાત છે કે ચિલ્ડ્રનને જ્યારે 3 ડ્રગ આપીએ જો તો એનો ગ્રોથ નથી થતો. એટલે અમારી જે ટેકનિક છે એ ચિલ્ડ્રન માટે ખાસ ઉપયોગી છે. કારણ કે એને જો હું 3 દવાઓ પર મૂકું તો એ છે એટલું ને એટલો જ રહે. ઇઝ ગ્રોથ વિલ નોટ ટેક પ્લેસ. પણ હિયર 5 મિલીગ્રામ પ્રેડનિસોલોન ઇઝ નથિંગ. 5 મિલીગ્રામ ઓફ ડેલ્ટા, અને એ પણ અમે બંધ કરી શકીશું 6-1 મહિના પછી પ્રિન્સ કોઈ પણ જાતની દવા વગર એના ફાધરની કિડની લઈ અને ચાલી શકશે. બરાબર છે ને? ઓકે.
પગમાં ખાડી હોતી તો જલન
પગમાં દુખે છે
પગમાં
સાહેબ.
જલન હોતી है
ઊભા થાવ છું તારે પગમાં દુખે છે.
એમનું આપણે 19-2000 માં ટ્રાન્સપ્લાન્ટ કર્યું એટલે કેટલા વર્ષ થયા?
15 વર્ષ સર.
15 વર્ષ થઈ ગયા ટ્રાન્સપ્લાન્ટ કર્યા.
યસ સર.
તો તમે પછી તો તમારા સાંધાઈ જૂના થઈ જાય ને, કિડની તો એમને એમ ચાલે છે.
યસ સર. આ ઓર્થોવાળાએ રાખ્યું સર.
શું કહ્યું?
उधर वो पैर दिखाया तो वो बोला पूछ ना डॉक्टर साहब से कौन लेनी है
એ
नहीं
દવાઓ બધી અમને આપો. ઓર્થોપેડિકની દવા છે ને એની હોજરી ઉપર બહુ કરશે, એટલે તમે એની સાથે કંઈક સારું એન્ટાસિડ આપજો, ડાયજીન અથવા તો બીજું કોઈ.
હા સર.
She has a 15 years of transplantation. 15 years. She takes 2.5 milligrams of delta every day. 2.5 of delta. And her creatinine is less than 1. 15 વર્ષ થયા ટ્રાન્સપ્લાન્ટ કર્યા. બરાબર છે ને?
गया आप लोग
હવે સાંધા બદલી કાઢીએ આપણે, કિડની બદલી છે. એકવાર ઓર્થોપેડિક વાળાને પૂછો ને કે આ મેડમના આપણે સાંધા બંધા બદલી શકાશે?
દીપક ભાઈ આવે છે ને?
दीपक ने पूछे जो हम आपका ये सांधा भी बदल देंगे, ठीक है?
अब इतना प्रेशर
किडनी तो बदल दिया, अभी सांधा बदल देंगे. आज हम आपको भेजते हैं वो डॉक्टर के पास.
वो 4:30 की ट्रेन है वहाँ
પણ સર ઓર્થો પરિવાર જ્યારે આવે ત્યારે બુધવારે બોલાવશે
એમ
એટલે ઓર્થો રેફરન્સ.
ઉતાવળ નથી, કિડની ચાલે છે ત્યાં સુધી કઈ
વહાં
ઉતાવળ.
બેઠો મેં બતાતી હું. હા ને?
કેમ છે?
दुख तेरी आगा
डेल्टा कम किया ने? 15 किया. अभी भी यहाँ लगता है थोड़ा सा डेल्टा की भीख लगती है. અને ડેલ્ટા થોડુંક આગળ કરને, 2.5 મિલીગ્રામ ઓછું કર. ડેલ્ટા આપણે ગઈ વખતે 20 માંથી 15 કરી હતી,
હા સર.
અત્યારે 12.5 કરે. 10 ને એક દિવસે 10 આપો ને કેવી રીતે કરીશ? 12.5 કરવી,
15 અને 10 જ કરે છે.
15 ને 10 કરવી બરાબર છે. एक दिवस 10 ने एक दिवस 15. थोड़ा सा कम करते हैं, एक दिन 10 लेने का. ગુજરાતી સમજે છે? ઓ એ જ તકલીફ છે ને. એકવાર મેં હિન્દીમાં એક આખું ભાષણ આપી દીધું, પછી પેલા પેશન્ટને પૂછ્યું કે આપકો સબ સમझ गया? कि आप हिंदी में बोलो ना तो मैं समझ जाऊंगा.
એક દિવસ 15 અને એક દિવસ 10 હે ને? ઓલ્ટરનેટ.
10 ને 15 બરાબર પાકો. આ બધું જતું રહેશે. ઓછું કરશું. નહીં એમ નહીં જાય, એ અંદરની ફેટ છે. બહારથી તું ગમે એમ કરીશ તો એ ચામડી ઉતરી જશે પણ એ ફેટ જશે નહીં, એટલે પ્રયત્ન નહીં કરવો. પણ 6-1 મહિનામાં જતું રહેશે. કિડની સરસ ચાલે છે. ઓકે ગુડ. આપણે તો કિડની નીકળ જાય.
सर हस्बैंड क्रॉस में से इन्होंने दी थी किडनी, माते तो किडनी थोड़ी देते थे.
उसकी किडनी ही चली जाएगी जो मारेंगे तो. वन 1.6 કે 1.06?
1.65 सर.
1.6. डेल्टा 10?
यस सर.
ना ना 10 ने
डेटा
5
5 सर.
5
डेटा 5 અને મોફિલેટ 360 બીડી સર.
ट्रांसप्लांट कब किया था?
2/5/2007 सर.
2007 में.
यस सर.
कितना वर्ष थे? 9 वर्ष हो गए. ठीक है, बहुत अच्छा. हम आपका फिल्म उतारते हैं तो आप साइड में वो खड़ा रहिए, वरना आपको बाहर निकाल देंगे फोटा में से। એમને કિડની આપી હતી, એમના હસબન્ડની કિડની ક્રોસમાં બીજાને આપી, એમને આપી હતી. ટ્રાન્સપ્લાન્ટ એમનું કર્યું આપણે 2-5-7 એટલે 1907 ને આપણે અત્યારે 1916 છે, એટલે 9 વર્ષ છે. મારી કોઈ બહુ ઓછા લોકો પાસે દુનિયા આખીમાં 5 વર્ષથી આગળ ચાલેલી કિડનીઓ છે. કારણ કે આખી દુનિયામાં મોટા મોટો પ્રશ્ન એ છે કે ઘણી બધી કિડની 5 વર્ષ પછી જતી રહેશે. એટલે હજી એનું કોઈની પાસે એનું નામ નથી, કોઈની પાસે એનું સોલ્યુશન નથી, એક્સેપ્ટ કે અમારી પાસે જે એવા પેશન્ટો છે કે જેને 5 વર્ષથી આગળ સુધી ચાલેલા છે. 5થી આગળ ચાલે જ નહીં તો પછી એનો ડેટા ક્યાંથી હોય? એટલે અમે ડાક્ટરો બહુ હોશિયાર છીએ, એટલે અમે 1 year સર્વાઈવલની વાત કરીએ. 1 વર્ષ સુધી ગ્રાફ સર્વાઈવ થયો. અમે કોઈ 5 વર્ષ સર્વાઈવ થયો એની વાત નથી કરતા, કારણ કે એ પછી એવો એરિયામાં આવી જાય છે કે જેમાં નથી. અમારા ગ્રુપમાં જે એવા દર્દીઓ છે કે જે 10 વર્ષ સુધી ગયા, 9 વર્ષ સુધી ગયા, અને એ દુનિયાને માફક નથી આવતું, પણ દેટ ઇઝ વોટ અ ફેક્ટ ઇઝ. બરાબર છે? આપણે કંઈ બીજું છે એમના માટે? ओके, गुड बाय। आनंद बहादुर
जी सर।
कैसा हो?
बस बढ़िया हो सर।
हाँ? नेपाल में सब ठीक है?
नेपाल में है सर, यूपी का।
यूपी का हो?
जी सर।
तो नाम ऐसा क्या नेपाली जैसा रखा है?
तो ऐसे रखते हैं लोग।
एक वहाँ हुआ
जी वहाँ
यूपी में भी नेपाल जैसा नाम रखते हैं।
जी।
तो आपका ट्रांसप्लांट कब किया था?
तो 12 में सर।
12 साल में?
नहीं, 2012 में।
जुलाई?
हाँ 6 जुलाई जी।
6 जुलाई में એનું ટ્રાન્સપ્લાન્ટ થયું.
2012 में।
કિડની વાઇફની હતી. મોટેભાગે વાઇફની કિડની છે મેચ ન થાય, કારણ કે વાઇફ છે એ બીજા કુટુંબમાંથી આવે, બીજા ફેમિલીમાંથી આવે. એટલે જેણે જેણે વાઇફની કિડની લીધી એને વધારે જોખમ છે, કારણ કે મેચિંગમાં ટોટલી 100% મિસમેચ હોય. પણ એને તો ડાયાબિટીસ પણ હતો સાથે, એટલે ડાયાબિટીસવાળી કિડની જે છે ટોટલી મિસમેચ, એ બહુ મોટા જોખમવાળી કિડની કહેવાય. પણ અમે એમાં સ્ટેમ સેલ નાખ્યા છે, આપી છે, અને he has gone 12 એટલે 12 ને 400 ત્રણ વર્ષ પૂરા કર્યા. These results are very very good. So keep it up.
जी सर।
कोई तकलीफ नहीं है? लाडू वाडू खाता हो? नहीं
नहीं सर, मीठा तो नहीं खाता।
मीठा नहीं खाते तो कुछ खाते क्या हो?
कभी कभी चाय मीठा पी लेता हूँ, बाकी कुछ नहीं।
बाकी मीठा नहीं खाते?
चावल नहीं, बटाका नहीं।
और आप मिठाई नहीं मापा खाते?
नहीं, मैं पहले से नहीं खाता सर, चाय पीता हूँ।
चाय पीता?
हाँ, और फीकी घर पे रहता हूँ, फीकी नहीं, बाहर निकल गया तो मिल जाए तो और चावल और बटाका भी बिल्कुल नहीं खाता।
यूपी में कैसा चलता है अभी ये सब?
मैं तो सर यहीं रहता हूँ, बचपन से मैं भाग के आया था, उड़ीसा में तो नहीं पढ़ा और यहीं सेटल हो गया।
भाई गुजरात में आ गए सर?
जी जी सर।
गुजरात तो अच्छा है, तो आप लोग यूपी में से आ जाओ, राजस्थान में से आ जाओ, तो ये गुजराती लोगों को क्या करेंगे?
सर जहाँ जिसका दाना पानी होता है, जहाँ जिसकी किस्मत होती है, वहाँ तो रहेगा ही सर।
ठीक है, he's okay. Good.
H.P. Parmar, head of dialysis department, has been working here since last 40 years. In addition to his work at Kidney Hospital, He has undertaken the responsibility to establish the dialysis machines at every district level of Gujarat state.
Dr. Pankaj R. Shah is a senior nephrologist of Gujarat. He is serving Institute of Kidney Diseases and Research Center, Ahmedabad for last 35 years. At present, he is professor and head of nephrology and transplant medicine department. He is the first student of Dr. H.L. Trivedi. He has received gold medal for his excellent transplant services.
Dr. Bharat B. Tiwari and Dr. Harda H. Shah are senior cardiopulmonary physiotherapists deeply involved in their professional career.
Dr. Vinit Mishra developed obstetric and gynecology department. The department has become world-class facilities for high-risk pregnancy. At present, department has IVF unit, endoscopy unit, high-risk pregnancy and urogynecology training program for doctors in different fields of gynecology.
One of the earliest to join Dr. Trivedi's team is Dr. Veena Shah, Chief of Anesthesia and the Critical Care Unit.
I have been associated with this institution and Dr. Trivedi for almost 3 decades now as an chief anesthesiologist and intensive care specialist. When I joined the institution in 1983, we had only one operation theatre. And right now we have 10 operation theatres in OT complex, out of which 4 are exclusively for the transplantation surgery. As an anesthetist, my role is to keep pace with advances which are being made in different surgical specialties and also to provide a safe and high quality of anesthesia care. The credit for grooming me as an intensivist goes to Dr. Trivedi, who incorporated the culture of intensive care in the Department of Anesthesia and gave me a mandate to develop a specialty which was almost non-existent in 1980s. Today, with the support of Dr. Trivedi, his encouragement and his freedom, we have one of the best intensive care facilities in the city of Ahmedabad.
A key member of this team is the head of pathology, Dr. Aruna Vanikar. She joined the institute in 1992 and has seen the department grow from strength to strength.
We have the Department of Pathology, which includes histopathology and cytology. We have biochemistry, hematology, and the transfusion services. When the patient walks into the hospital, we look to him in toto, his hematological parameters, all his biochemical parameters, what is wrong with him, what he will be requiring in terms of transfusion services, what is his immunological status, all that is just done under one roof. But as we went on with the vision of Dr. Trivedi, we developed it as a whole department. Now we have the neurology also where we cater, we have gastroenterology, we have hepatology. I'm happy to tell you that I'm the first qualified renal and transplant pathologist of the country. And so we started training out people and teach them how to look at renal pathology with the perspective of the clinician. And we do about 1,000 to 1,500 biopsies, native and transplant, which is the largest in the country. Standard transplantation with triple drugs is almost impossible for an average Indian family. Number one, because of the infections, the cost itself of the transplant, and ultimately the graft undergoes attrition. So the family loses out on the person, on the graft and the income. We started our research into the stem cells and we gradually developed ourselves. Initially it was just the peripheral stem cells, then we grew hematopoietic stem cells from the bone marrow. We established a good stem cell lab and now we have done by now more than 3,000 of the cell lines. We have our own unique patents of mesenchymal stem cells, which have helped in creating transplant tolerance, which are made from the donor's adipose tissue, and we make stem cells out of that, and along with the donor's hematopoietic stem cells, which are collected from the bone marrow, together we put them into the recipient's system. So this helps in creating an environment where the kidney is not rejected. Actually, our research was for creating tolerance, but while we were looking up and making out mesenchymal stem cells, we realized that we can shift the gears and start making different kinds of cells. So that is how then we started making insulin making stem cells, and we have our patents in insulin making stem cells, and by now we have treated about 30 diabetics, all kinds of diabetics. Then we make neuronal stem cells, and we have about 200 or more odd paraplegics who have started walking with our stem cells. When Dr. Trivedi arrived in India from Canada, that time India did not have the facilities of tissue typing. This is the lab where you can find out whether the organ which is going to be put into the recipient, will it be accepted by the recipient's immune system. So when he came in India, he developed the lab himself, and he brought his own technician with him, and so he picked up his own people. So Varsha Trivedi with him, she was the first one qualified, and she developed the whole tissue typing lab here. Gradually, as research went on, she developed serological techniques, then the complement mediated and molecular lab. So now it's a very advanced lab.
Intrinsic to the success of IKDRC is Dr. Pranjal Modi, who has been working on both kidney and liver transplants.
I'm here since 15 years, and as a urologist and transplant surgeon, we do a lot of surgery in this institution related to the kidney disease, bladder, cancers, and transplant related work. Recently now we have done a liver transplant also, and we have started this activity since 2008 onward. We are the only people in the world who are doing laparoscopic kidney transplantation. We are the people in the whole world where we have the highest number of retroperitoneoscopic living donor nephrectomy we have done. We do minimally invasive surgery like percutaneous nephrolithotomy, ureterorhinoscopy for the removal of the kidney stones. We have the best machine of the world for the lithotripsy, that is Siemens lithoscope machine, and it is a state-of-the-art machine. Government of Gujarat is liberal enough to give the funds to us to treat all the children below the age of 18 years free of charge. And because of that, daily we do about 5 to 6 major pediatric urological surgeries.
Working closely with the team is another core member, Dr. Jamal. His area of specialization is kidney transplantation.
We are the biggest kidney transplantation center by a margin of nearly 100%, and we do a lot of laparoscopy. So it was logical that these two techniques should be married together to give us a procedure of laparoscopic kidney transplantation, which would give us the benefits of laparoscopy along with the setting of transplantation. And this has been pioneered by Dr. Pranjal Modi, who has the largest series to date in the world. In terms of service, if you look at the numbers of patients that we serve, if you look at the number of transplants we do, they're more than anyone else in the country. That the same applies to laparoscopy and to a large number of urological operations and other services on the medical side also. But it's not just a matter of numbers. The care is uniformly of a high quality, and it's very often being given at affordable prices to people who would not be able to afford them otherwise.
To make an assessment of those patients who cannot pay for their treatment is Madhav Bhai, a graduate in the fine arts. Patients come from long distances, their savings depleted, and whenever possible, Madhav Bhai ensures that their dues are waived. This is the transplant OPD in the newly built transplant tower. Post-operative patients come here to meet the nephrologist for their regular checkups. The use of stem cells in transplants has also yielded a surprising but important discovery regarding T cells.
डॉक्टर हरगोविंद लक्ष्मी शंकर त्रिवेदी चिकित्सा.
Padam Awards are given annually by the President of the Democratic Republic of India in New Delhi for the outstanding contribution made by different individuals in various subject areas. Dr. H.L. Trivedi was awarded Padma Shri Award by the President of the Democratic Republic of India in New Delhi in the year 2015.
Gujarat University of Transplantation Sciences, first in the nation, was dedicated to the people of India by the Chief Minister of Gujarat State, Honorable Shri Anandiben Patel. Also present at the event was the Health Minister, Honorable Shri Nitin Bhai Patel and Swami Shri Sachidanandji. The event took place on 28 June 2015.
ગુજરાત યુનિવર્સિટી ઓફ ટ્રાન્સપ્લાન્ટેશન સાયન્સીસ એ પણ આપણને કહેતા આનંદ થાય છે અને ગર્વ પણ થાય છે કે વિશ્વમાં પ્રથમ આ પ્રકારની યુનિવર્સિટી
પ્રત્યારોપણ સત્ય પ્રેમ કરુણા થઈને અહીં આવ્યું કરુણા થઈ અહીં આવ્યું સરસ્વતી विद्याधाम रचायु विद्याधाम रचायु विश्वविद्यालय यहीं रचायु विश्वविद्यालय यहीं रचायु विश्वविद्यालय यहीं रचायु विश्वविद्यालय यहीं रचायु.
Since the time period of Shri Tulsidas ji and Shri Valmiki ji, there ever was any Ram Kathakar, then that Ram Kathakar is Pujya Shri Sant Murari Bapu. He performed Ram Katha for 9 days for the benefit of patients. This event took place at riverfront of river Sabarmati.
घिर 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 आइए कारी बदरिया घिर घिर आइए कारी बदरिया बूंदनिया बरसन लागी बूंदनिया बरसन लागी घिर घिर आइए कारी बदरिया घिर घिर मपनी धनी नि सा नि सा रे रे सा नि धनी नि सा नि प म प ग म रे सा नि सा सा म म रे प प म प म बनी धनी नि सा म बनी धनी नि सा म बनी धनी नि सा घिर घिर आइए कारी बदरिया घिर घिर आइए कारी बदरिया बूंदनिया बरसन लागी बूंदनिया बरसन लागी घिर 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 आइए कारी बदरिया घिर घिर आइए